Okay, here's a way we could autofill down to a certain level. Again, in class yesterday, we figured out a better way to do this, but it's not working on my version of Excel. So this would work fine. So I've got my XY. I just typed in my first value equals 0. Then I'm going to go to fill, series. Got to change that to columns. Put in my step value, let's say 0.001, and autofill down until that hits 2. So that's not how many numbers. That's, I want this to go down until it hits 2. And that will do that. So that's like 200 values there. 2,000 values, whatever it is. Okay, then once I've got all my X's filled in, I can come over here to my Y's and say, oh, well, this first one equals 1. And again, we've got our formula here. My next one equals the previous one. Remember, we're using Euler's method here. Plus the derivative, I need this in parentheses, 2 times, here's my derivative up here, previous X value plus previous Y value times my delta X, which in this case was 0.001. Then once I get there, I can just double click right there on that little corner. It will autofill down to wherever the X autofilled down to, which in this case was like 2000 and something. I just want to show you the end here. Okay, so that's a way you could get it to go to a certain level without having to physically drag it down there. Do the X first, then everything else, all your other columns will automatically fill down to that level. All right, that's a good place to stop here.